IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What do you like most about your hometown? Band 5. Answer.
I like my hometown because it is quiet and people are friendly. There are some nice places to relax, and it is not too crowded.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, basic ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, very simple vocabulary, repetition. Grammar, mostly simple sentences. Pronunciation, understandable but flat. Typical of a band. 5, safe, short, and painfully general. Band 7.5 Answer.
What I like most about my hometown is the sense of community. People tend to know each other, and there's a relaxed atmosphere which makes it a comfortable place to live.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, clear and logically developed. Lexical resource, some topic-specific vocabulary. Grammar, good control with minor slips. Pronunciation, generally clear and natural. Typical of a Band 7.5, sounds human, not memorized. Band 9 Answer.
What I appreciate most about my hometown is its balance between convenience and tranquility. It has modern facilities, yet it hasn't lost its character, which creates a strong sense of belonging for residents.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and well-structured. Lexical resource, precise, flexible vocabulary. Grammar, wide range used accurately. Pronunciation, natural, confident, engaging. Typical of a Band 9, polished without sounding fake. Examiner nods quietly. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.